Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet this very simple heart. The heart you can use like the chain or keychain or only heart. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. Today I will crochet with the cotton yarn, but you can use any yarn. We need matching crochet hook, scissors, sewing needle, and if you want, the little pearls. I start with the magic ring. And crochet first round, 3 chain stitches, 3 triple crochet in the ring, and 3 double crochet in the ring, and 3. Now chain 1 and again 3 double crochet in the ring, two and 3 and 3 triple crochet in the ring, two and 3. Now pull yarn, 2 chain stitches and slip stitch in the ring. And first round is finished. Second round we crochet in this hole and 3 single crochet and 3. In the next 2 stitches we crochet 2 single crochet, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches, 3 and 4. Here in this hole 1 half double crochet, chain 1 and 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches. Here is the first, two and 4, 2 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and in this hole 2 single crochet, 2, and finish work with the slip stitch here in this first stitch. Cut yarn and pull this yarn a little bit. Now this yarn pull on the back side, pull this first yarn and close the ring and sew both yarn ends on the back side, and the heart is finished. If you won't use the heart like the little keychain, then you need sewing needle, yarn and little pearl. And now on the heart we come from below to the middle, and now from here in the same place through the pearl, and here you can leave the yarn how long you need. Now here cut the yarn and knot this yarn. Sew yarn ends. And the little keychain is finished. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.